Hey everybody, welcome to my last day in Bangor, Pennsylvania. Tomorrow morning I'm catching a plane to Atlanta. And those are the dogs you can hear in the background. I better go and see if I can cheer them up. This is the flight information for tomorrow. Plane leaves at 6:15, lands 8:27. Could be a little problem because check-in time at the hotel is officially 3 o'clock. They might have a room ready. If not, I'll just get them to hold my luggage and go exploring. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, you leave my food alone, mister. This is what I couldn't eat last night at the restaurant because the meal was so big. No, that's my food. That's my leftover dish from last night. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Well, as you can see, there's not much snow left. A little bit over there.
That's really newer. So this one was actually 2 years older, and it only had 3,000 more miles. How many psychiatrists does it take to change a light bulb? 4.
Just one that it really has to want to change.
Yeah, just one that it has to really want to change.
Nice, isn't it?
Most of those Amish horses are actually retired race horses. They're gorgeous.
They're going to get rid of that. So they want to sell that old resort. So like I said, this actually belongs to the Scouts.
Okay.
Boy Scouts of America.
Did they win their...
But you're allowed to, like, they're pretty cool because you know the falls are a natural thing
great.
here, so you can. The reason why that water is so brown is there's a lot of sand in the water. There's an area warm here with some sand.
Okay.
And they used to use the water from this creek, right, to tan leather. There's so much tan in the water, that's why if you look, it's sort of a greenish brown color as it falls off the rock. From all the, I believe, I should know better, from the wood that falls in.
Well, it could also be if there's there's grapevines will do it too.
Yeah, no, it's just got something to do with specific wood that falls into the creek up above there.
It's all going in the video.
It's all going in the video. Let's get down and get a little bit better angle here too.
Here's a view from another angle. Really good view.
That's on.
George, what's the name of this place?
This is Resica Falls.
And talk loudly because you're hard to hear.
Yeah, I'm talking loudly.
It's Resica Falls.
Okay.
We're going. You ready? We're going to Jiffy Lube and get the oil changed.
Woohoo!
I know.
Well, it's trying to snow again. I finally convinced George to go to Burger King. I'm going to look after these guys for the next half hour.
Would you like to go to Walmart too?
I've already been to Walmart.
Okay, because Walmart is sort of an American institution.
I know Walmart. We got waiter George here.
Hi.
Welcome to Burger King. I'm your host.
My name is George. I'll be your waiter today.
Well, you know that at that Kentucky Fried Chicken, they come and they serve you.
Do they?
Remember that?
Let's pray.
Yes.
Yep.
Cinnabon.
Okay, so you got barbecue. What's in there?
That's a Whopper Junior.
That's a Whopper Junior. That's
I got a fish sandwich.
like a little
That's fish.
Whopper.
What's
What
in
is
here?
this?
What did I get?
Oh, original chicken sandwich. Okay. Okay.
All right, all good.
Okay, here.
Bonnie's got the chicken sandwich there with
Yeah.
the chicken, lettuce, and the mayonnaise. I've got a double stacker with barbecue sauce instead of the miscellaneous sauce that I've got, because I have no idea what the original sauce is. I've got chips and some chicken strips and some barbecue sauce.
Does Hungry Jack's have onion rings and zesty sauce?
We don't have zesty sauce. We have onion rings.
Okay. Have you ever tried zesty sauce?
Never.
It's horseradishy stuff. It's really good.
Oh,
This is George eating a Whopper.
Ding dong.
oh yeah.
Say hello to my little brother. I am the Whopper.
Okay. I'm just going to say that I cannot eat both of these, so whoever wants this.
Make Roger eat it.
On the way back, we're going to have to take a detour. We won't be able to make it up the mountain, so we got to, take a 5-mile detour.
Oh yeah, you will.
The other side.
Yes, it's snowing, in case you hadn't noticed.
Australians like to tell unsuspecting Americans to put it on thick like peanut butter. It's a cool
No, I
joke.
looked after George because he's looked after me. I told him, I'll put it on thinly for you, George. And we're...
Now George just said it's too salty.
It's yeast. It's a yeast thing.
Yeah.
Well, I just thought it was too salty for breakfast. I didn't think that it was a breakfast
It is
flavor.
literally the sludge found at the bottom of
It
the
is-
beer vat.
Is it really?
It is.
All my Australian friends are going to love you, knocking Vegemite.
Yeah, I've had my jar of Vegemite for 6 years, and it's only.
I would throw it away.
It can't go bad.
What do you mean it can't go bad? It can't
doesn't.
get moldy? It can't do nothing?
It doesn't mold. It doesn't get hard.
Oh, see, that's like Spam.
Yeah, but the difference is if you open the can of Spam, it will go bad. If you open the Vegemite, it still won't go bad. I've waited for it. I check it once in a while. It never goes bad. And
This is going to be more fun than it needs to be.
looks like somebody else had more fun than they need.
Yeah. These kind of conditions are only meant for like vehicles with 4-wheel drive. Your average vehicle can't really keep any traction on the road, so that's why we're going so slow.
I'll put my vehicle in 4-wheel drive mode.
It's good to see everybody driving so slowly, defensively.
Taking it back.
And Daisy's really little. Daisy's.
It looks like it has sleet.
What is she, 3 months old?
No, that's snow.
Oh, is she really?
She's just tiny.
Straight up snow.
But Violet was tiny. Violet was really
It's like
little.
ice.
She was at her healthiest 6.5 pounds.
Yeah.
By the time, and a Siamese 6.5 pounds is smaller than other cats 6.5 pounds.
Yeah.
Because they're so muscular.
Right.
this thing.
No, not with this. Absolutely not.
So you're going to go down until Mincy.
Yep. And go all the way around the back side of the mountain because it's not as steep.
Yeah.
You try to go off the front side of that mountain, you just get stuck.
Yep.
And you got about 50-50 chance of even getting turned around without getting creamed by somebody coming down the mountain.
Right.
Broadside. There is one up there.
It was an odd not a Missouri Synod. It was an odd Lutheran church in that it was neither Missouri Synod or ELCA.
We're doing a
And
lot
it
of
was
detours so I
very,
don't get
very
stuck
much
in the snow.
Holy Spirit-filled Lutheran church, which the ELCA definitely isn't. You can't be Holy Spirit-filled and deny the teachings of the Bible.
Alright, here goes nothing.
I mean, you know, Courtney's getting to be quite the little home ec girl.
She is. Get it.
That's it. Anyway. So what do you think of this experience, Roger?
It's different.
It's different. I love these poems. They drink all.
Yeah. That's me. Oh, that's.
Hey, we made it.
Jingle, jangle, jingle.
Well done,
I believe
George.
You can walk to get the truck from here to bring us home.
I think we're good.
It's really snowing. I'm going inside where it's nice and warm. Take a look down at we can see it in my hair. Take a look at the ground. You can actually see we've already got a couple of inches of snow down there. My camera's getting snow on it. That's it, we're all going inside. Hey everyone, I'm gonna finish a little early tonight. This is Michael messaging me on Facebook. The time's about 7:10. I've got to leave here at 4 o'clock with George to get to the airport on time to catch my flight. So I'm going to say good night. See ya.